What's up and welcome to or back to my channel. In today's video, we are getting into color, fall color to be exact. And again, I say fall color. It's time to get into it, and let's not delay. Today's video is sponsored by L Wigs, and for the unboxing, they sent me some branded alligator clips, as well as some HD wig caps, some lace tape, and then in addition to that, we have our pink edge brush with a good comb, and these cutesy clips. That was different and a nice surprise. For the cap construction, it did have this material on the inside and then some combs, as well as the band in the back and one more comb in the back as well. This unit is an 11x6 GluelessHD lace wig. It's 16 inches, and we're just gonna get right into the install. I did not do a bald cap for this install, and I really wish I would have. You will see why I'm saying that later on in the video, but I'm just going on with one of the HD wig caps, my favorite Ruby Kisses contour cream. And I knew I wanted to do a middle part because this unit is mostly suited for a middle part, and I just wanted that layered look, middle part bust down with the 16 inches. Like, it just made sense to do that. So we're applying the makeup inside of the lace as well, popping the unit on, and then seeing what it is giving. Straight off the bat, I realized that where that material is around the parting space made it really light, but we're gonna go in and fix that in a moment here. And I'm also checking the pre-plucking. It was pretty good, but y'all know I always go in and do just a little bit more. This lace is considered 3D HD lace, and it's super thin. Like, I was very impressed with how thin this lace is. Like, you can see my wig cap right through it, and that's why I'm saying I wish I would have did a bald cap, because you can see that seam of it. But the lace overall, like I said, top tier, very good, very thin. The unit itself is supposed to be 220. The density gave me more of like a 150 or a 180, very natural density. And it does come pre-layered, framing the face. Also, can we talk about this color? I love the fact that it screams fall. It's not too gingery, it's not too red, it's not all the way brown. It gives different tones of your copper, your ginger, a little bit of a red undertone, but it's still mostly brown, and most of all, it's subtle. So if you're trying to dip your foot in the water of fall color, but you're not trying to be too loud with it, this is a great way to start. And y'all know I don't do a glueless install. Well, sometimes I do it without the wig dealer spray, but this one I definitely had to do with it. And then I cut one of the HD wig caps, and I just used that as an additional band to go ahead and tie that down. And y'all are gonna see when I cut this band off, the lace is so thin, but we're not cutting it off yet because we got to get into bumping these ends. I love that they did the face frame and layered look, so I'm just going through and emphasizing that. And like I said, y'all see the density. So if you're somebody who's going for a natural look, you don't want too much fuss with a bunch of thick hair, you don't want to have to cut a bunch of hair, then this unit is a good option for you. So let's finish bumping that through, and I'm gonna add some additional face framing because y'all know I just gotta customize just a little bit more. It's not necessary, but it's me. So let's do that, and then we'll get into some more pointers on this unit in a second.
This what happened when I think about you. I get in my feelings, yeah. I start reminiscing, yeah. This time around, I want it to be different, yeah. Waiting on a sign, I guess it's time for a different prayer. Lord, please favor for me. Do this one favor for me. I had to change my play ways, got way too complicated for me. I hope she's waiting for me. Everywhere she go, they playing my song. That's why I say the things that I say that way.
So I'm removing my band, and like I said, I had to remind myself that the lace was not yet cut. Y'all see how thin the lace is. So now I'm just gonna go through and zigzag cut the extra lace so that we can lay some light baby hairs. I almost didn't do any at all, but with the seam of that cap coming from underneath, it almost was not optional. I tried to go in with more makeup and hide it, but again, this lace is so HD, it's like, baby, whatever is underneath, that's what's gonna show through. So I just did minimal edges, and then we were pretty much good to go. I did do one style you'll see at the end with twisting a couple of pieces from the front back to just accessorize with the clips that they included and sent to me. But I did love how easy this wig was as far as installation. If I do and when I do reinstall it, I will definitely do so with the ball cap. If you do decide to purchase this unit, definitely do a ball cap. I wouldn't even say do no cap because again, it's gonna show whatever is underneath. But the color, everything, lace quality, everything, the hair quality was even good. And so that's pretty much all I have on this unit. If you're interested, all of the information will be in the description. We going right out to this music, and I will see y'all in the next hair tutorial. Love y'all real bad. Later.
You can't ignore me. So, yeah. So give me all of you in exchange for me. Just give me all of you in exchange for me. For me. Break it down. Yes, sir. Check. We used to lay up and then stay up, had sex and then blow game. I should have played no games with you, just leveled up my brain. Last time I saw you, we didn't speak, that was strange. Guess there's nothing I could do. Man, it's true, X has changed, yeah. Hey, guess you changed for the better. I know you know how to make me jealous. I was never loyal, let you tell it, yo. But I'm ready to fix it if you ready, baby, so